How to live chat with a Facebook support agent. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to live chat with a Facebook support agent, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for business.facebook.com. Here in the left side panel, you will see the option for all tools. Tap on that. Under Advertise, tap on the Ads Manager option. In the left side toolbar again, tap on the campaign option. Here you will be able to see all the campaigns you have run from this page. Below in the left side toolbar itself, you will see a question mark icon, which also is the help button. Tap on that. You will now get the help tab on the right. There you will see the option for contact support team. Tap on that and go ahead and enter the required details, and with this, you will be able to live chat with the Facebook support agent. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.